In today's video, I will show you guys 3 quick ways to fix Outlook sync issues. Step 1. Check sync status. Understanding the sync status is crucial for troubleshooting. Open Outlook and right-click on any folder. Select Properties and click the Synchronization tab. Check the last synchronized data for any discrepancies. Step 2. Verify account settings. Incorrect settings can disrupt syncing. Go to File, Account Settings. Click on Data Files. Now check Mailbox account, name is set to default or not. Click on Email tab and select Change. And check if Use Cached Exchange Mode is selected. Save changes, close Outlook, and reopen. Step 3. Empty the Sync Issues folder. This folder holds problematic items that can hinder syncing. Click the folder list icon at the bottom left. Under All Outlook items, find Sync Issues. Expand the folder and empty the Local Failures subfolder. Close and reopen Outlook. With these quick fixes, you can conquer Outlook sync issues and get back to productivity seamlessly. Click on the link to know more on Outlook sync issue.